Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antoine with Chum Change Production coming to you with another review update on CryptoTab, my miners. I just recently purchased some additional mining power. I spent 59 bucks for the 5x cloud boost, and now my miners are making 15 to 18 cents an hour. I think it's 18 cents an hour, but I just turned this on because I forgot. I could have done this and been making 2, 3 cents a day or whatever. So I just turned this on so I can start getting that little chump change. And I might start investing in the cloud boost on this as well. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But let me show you guys my withdrawals so you guys know it's legit. But here's what I updated. I think this day. I think it was this day or either this day. I went and bought more power. But anyway, you can see. But anyway, from this day to here, I've gone up by almost 11,000 Satoshis a day by just putting in an extra 59 bucks. So it's pretty interesting when I look through my history and look at what I've been getting. So I'm saying I'm getting 28, 44, 19, 27. But you can see the days between withdrawals. So let me show you here. Like I just withdrew this yesterday. That's why it's so low. Because I just withdrew a day and a half before that on the 9th this much. And then the 6th this much. Then the 2nd this much. The 27th this much. The 23rd this much. But you guys can do this. It's really simple. Just go, if you don't mind, sign up under my referral link and you get some extra bonding power for signing up under my link, and I get some extra money for having you on the line. It just works out for both of us, and you keep getting discounts on buying power with using that referral link, from what I've heard. But all right. So what you want to do is you want to get the crypto tab either on your computer. You want to do the cloud boost, and if you do the cloud boost, the best plan on the, instead of paying like what I was doing, because I got about 700, 800 bucks in it. That's why I'm making 18 cents an hour, because I got 800, $700 or $800 wrapped up in it. But I did it wrong. If I would have bought the 20x every 2 weeks, or at least once a month, that's like a hunt with the discounts. They send you these 80, 30%, 85% discounts all the time throughout the week. So just wait for that discount code to come in. When you get that discount code, do the 20x, because it'll be like 175 bucks or 180 bucks instead of 240 if you did it 4 times with the 5x. You know what I'm saying? So just buy that, because you're gonna get so much power anyway. That's gonna build up your um hash rate on the miners, because mine is at 87. So, but if I would have just been buying, dropping a 160 to 180, 170, 180, I would have a lot more hash power. So I basically got it mapped out. You make 3 times what your initial investment is. So I was fooling around on a calculator. So this is how much. Hold on, my computer's acting weird. This is how much I make a month. This is how much I'll make in a year just off my crypto tab on my phone if I don't buy any more mining power. And I just mine right where I'm at. But it's still 7 months until I gotta renew the first contract up on in February. So I got 7 months. So I got 7 months of dumping $200 in every 2 weeks or once a month. It depends on what I'm doing, because I do a lot of investing too. But this is how much I make a day. 30.301944 and this is what I make an hour, 0.5081. That's how I came up with that, because I put it in the crypto converter, Bitcoin converter, and I calculated all this. So that's what this is. It's 0.5081. If you can type that in and see at the current rate, that's 25 cents. So I'm actually getting more than that because Bitcoin was a lot lower when I was mining. But just to show you, um, this is how much I've mined in the past 12 months because I didn't have as much power. But as you can see, how do I say? See, look, when I first started out, I was only getting like a couple cents a day. But this is how much BTC I was getting. It was like four zeros, 4084. Let me go to 15. This is like 4032, 3055, 30. I guess it's not been too bad, but I don't know what the hell I was doing. Oh, that's right. This is when, no, I don't know. I guess I was Bitcoin must have been Bitcoin was lower here, so I was getting more Bitcoin. But I really I wasn't making a lot of money. I was just doing it just to figure out strategies to use to increase my power. So that's why I'm telling you what you want to do is you want to just drop the 180, 170, 180 and get it over with, get the 20x power. Because basically that'd be, I can't remember how much it is per hour, but if you invested $3,000, okay, so I have it because '07. Here, let me go there. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's how much I make a month at the current rate. So, okay, that's $2,100. I had $700 in, and I'll make $2,100 three times, a little over three times my initial investment. At the current rate, if Bitcoin just stays in this price range for the next year, so I'm actually gonna make, I'm gonna make more than 0.07 because I'm still buying power for these next 7 months, and then it keeps going on. I'll keep buying power all that year, next year, Lord willing, and and my my BTC keep accumulating, keep stacking, and I keep stacking it up because like I was telling you guys in my couple videos ago, the ideal amount of Bitcoin you want to have is point 0.1. Because when Bitcoin gets to 100,000, that point 0.1 is worth 10,000. When it gets to a million, that point 0.1 is worth 100,000. When it gets to 10 million, that point 0.1 is worth a million. So as long as you can do anything over point 0.1, point oh 0.01, I'll say point oh 0.01, then you go. Because even point oh 0.01 is a substantial amount of money at because when a point 0.1 is, because in Bitcoin is $1 million per share, point 0.1 is 100,000, point oh 0.01 is 10,000. So you still when you got 10,000 off of $360, $307 investment, turn into 10 G's. May have taken 10 years, but still. But what my plan is well, I'll get into that another time. I won't disclose that right now. Talk about that in the future. But sorry I brought it up. But anyway, that's about all I got for you guys. You guys have a good one. Peace.